Okay, well, we figured out so many things here. We've got the turning point here. We figured out that this was -2. We know a lot of things about this function, but let's see if we can do this last thing here. Can we figure out for which values of x in this thing is the function f, the cubic function, where is it greater than x? That's if x is less than 0. So they're saying, when they say this, the values of x less than 0, they mean just on the left-hand side. We don't have to look at this other side here. Well, what they're saying when they say f is greater than g, they're saying, where does the parabola go above the line? The parabola is f. I mean, not the parabola. The cubic function is f, and the line is g. Well, look here, the line g is above the cubic function. So it's not happening there. But as soon as I hit here, look at that. That function f, the green one, is above the line. So that's why anywhere right at 2, it's equal to it. So where does f? It takes off above the line when x is less than -2. And that's your answer. It's just one mark. You just look at your graph and you read it. I use a vertical line. Hey, look, f is above on this side too, but then weird things happen way over there. That's why I restricted it to x is greater than 0. Now, the last question really bugs people, but there's a quick and easy way to figure out how to do these answers. They say if f of x equals k. Well, what does that mean? Well, what you do is you take a horizontal line. Here's f of x equals -8. That's the line, f of x equals -8. We'll just call it k because I haven't said it's anything. This is the line, f of x equals -8. Well, the question is, how many roots does it have? What they mean is, how many times does it hit? 1, 2, 3. So when f of x equals -8, it hits twice. But what if f of x was equal to 0? Right there. There's f of x. Y is always equal to 0. Hey, it only has 2 roots. It only hits twice. But as soon as I go a little bit less than 0, it hits 1, 2, 3 times. And then if I go all the way down here, oh, do I remember what the heck? What was that point right there? That point was -9, 48. So that must be a special place. When f of x equals -9.48, it hits once, twice. That means 2 roots. If it gets anywhere less, it only has 1 root. So anywhere in between -1.48 or 0, it hits 3 times. And that was the question, when will it have 3 roots? So the answer is in between 0 and -9.48. When x is less than 0, it hits 3 times, or more than -9.48. That was the y coordinate where it turned there. Okay, those questions people find tricky, but I hope that helped explain it. Okay.